In this video, I am going to show you how to order from Pandabuy. Browse China's online e-commerce platforms such as Taobao, Tmall, and JD.com. Find your dear seller's info and products through social media like Reddit, Instagram, or TikTok. Copy the product link or name shop's link, the order number starting with the letter PI, and paste it into the search bar. And click search and turn on to next page. You can directly select the color, size, quantity, add special remark and click buy now or add to cart. Next, select the destination country. The items you purchased will first be sent by the seller to Pandabuy warehouse in China. After the order arrived and stored in the warehouse, you could view it via Personal Center warehouse. You could submit an international parcel and fill in the detailed address so that it could be shipped to you. If you want to see more detailed pics than QC photos, just select extra photos, then submit the order. After that, you need to pay for items. Select country and choose a payment method, and you need to pay the fee, which includes the product fee and the domestic shipping fee. These fees are all charged by the seller. The international shipping fee is not included. You can estimate the international shipping fee in their website. Once the order confirmation is completed, your order will be processed within 6 working hours. Their agents will contact the seller and purchase your items. Then, they will wait for the seller to ship the items to them. The shipping duration is around 3 to 5 working days. During order purchasing process, you will be notified via internal message once any issue occurs. For example, some information is needed to be completed by you. Pandabuy would offer top-notch quality checks for you. You can view them in Personal Center warehouse once it's stored. If you accept the product, Pandabuy will keep the product in warehouse for you. If not, agent team will help you negotiate with the seller to process return and exchange. When your items arrive at the Pandabuy warehouse, they will take a good care of your products for 90 days for free, and you can combine all your items and ship them in one parcel to save shipping fees. When you see your items indicated with the status stored, you need to visit warehouse and select item and click submit to arrange the international delivery, including entering overseas address, choosing package details, and selecting a shipping method. After that, select payment method for the international shipping fee, which is calculated according to the product's estimated weight, the selected shipment method, and the destination. After that, they will pack your items and send out a package carefully and properly after you have submitted the delivery order. You can check the tracking number to track your package and follow its shipping progress on the parcel page. Also, you can share experiences and apply reward after you received the parcel. Pandabuy is a professional agent service, and they will respond and process your order in an efficient manner and provide reliable and caring after-sales service for your shopping. You can find the link to the Pandabuy site in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.